short on cash.
2,
He's broke equals he has no money.
3,
His bank account is overdrawn.
4,
He's just scraping by equals he is just barely surviving on little money.
5,
He makes minimum wage equals he earns the minimum salary.
6,
He's pinching pennies.
7,
He's scrimping and saving.
8,
She's very wealthy.
9,
She's quite well off.
10,
She's loaded.
11,
She's filthy rich.
12,
She inherited a fortune.
13,
She's making a killing.
14,
She's raking in the cash.
15,
She's rolling in dough.